Hi friends, welcome to my channel SARAL Trader. So today we will look at the charts of some indices. The first chart that I'm looking at is the SPY, and this is the daily time frame. And if you look, SARAL system gave a buy call here on 526 after a long consolidation on spiders, and it moved up and almost it gave us the first target, which is always one ATR of 10 points. So after that there was a bit of a struggle in terms of there was no confidence to move up, and even if you see volumes were pretty less in trying to make whenever there was a green candle, and it ultimately gave a sell signal. The whole up move failed and it gave a sell signal, and again the sell signal, the first target of 1 ATR is already met. So there was a sharp fall, 401, ATR was around 9, which is already met. Now the second target of 2 ATR, which is going to be around 20-point move down from 401, which will be around 22 390, is in the offering. And then it's possible. So we have taken out 25% already, and we are waiting for the second target to come in. If you look at this on a shorter time frame, which is more like 2 hours, um, yeah, so on a 2 hour time frame, you see there was a buy signal. The move started with this price action, and it was confirmed, and it fizzled out. But this signal was kind of a fake signal, which didn't materialize. But there was an up move, and the up move started from 395 and gave full targets of 2 ATR, and then it went into a sideways consolidation. 395, 375 acted as a strong support on 2 hour time frame. Multiple times it was tested, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and ultimately it broke down and it's going down. Let's look at some of the charts that are on the short side. So one is PSX. PSX is in bull move. It's a oil refiner, and on a shorter time frame of 2 hours, it's giving a sell signal. This green line, which is a 10-day simple moving average, is acting as a support. So if you look at slightly longer time frame than 2 hours, but less than 1 hour, 1 day, our custom thing, you will look at again a sell signal being generated. This is a very classical secular up move. So if this materializes, the target that will we see will be around 2 ATR move on this time frame, which is currently coming at 4. So the close is at around 105. So you can expect a down move to 100, 101, ideally 100. So if you short it here, look for 104. If you can buy options, if you buy options, buy at least a couple of weeks time and not be too greedy. If you get 50%, 60% kind of a move in the option, you should book it. Another stock on the same sector is XOM, which is basically Exxon Mobil. Similar kind of a pattern in the oil charts. Again, ATR is at around 2, 1.9. So target around should be around 97 to 90, even 95 can come, which is around 20-day moving average. But let's book all profits at 95. Look at least 2 weeks options here, and ideally, if you want, you can short in cash. One more chart, large cap stock is AMT, which I already shorted here, and I booked my profits. But this is kind of consolidating. It's in a range for some time, almost 2 months. It's in a range on the lower side around 220, on the upper side around 270, kind of a range, big range, 20-30% kind of a range, and this is doing a mean reversion. And if this move confirms, it's confirmed move on daily chart, we are looking at least the first target of 35, of around 235, which is 15 points, and which is exactly 2 ATRs, and then it can go further down if possible. both from support and resistance and from the point of the moving average crossover, it's looking like a good move. Thanks.